Welcome to another edition of Open House Saturday. And today I'm down in Buda, Texas, looking at a brand new build from CastleRock Homes. This is their Apache floor plan. This one's nearing completion. It has a few upgrades that the buyer got. One of them is this bump out to this study space. This is an amazing thing. We'll take a little bit more look at that from the front here in a bit. You have these nice little cutouts here. These are some really neat little features. We have amazingly tall ceilings in this property. Look at that. So, first bedroom that comes in off the entryway. The extra bath. Second bedroom. This is your washer and dryer space here. And then this amazing open concept. Look at this floor plan. So you have all this space here with those high ceilings, dining space, and then into the kitchen. Well, now let's go take a look at the master bath and bedroom. So I would recommend, if they have it on this floor plan, I haven't checked for sure, but if you're going to get a new design like this one, this is great for the separation of the tub and shower space, although they do have an available full just shower space in your awesome walk-in closet. Well, thanks everybody. Glad we got to do this on a Saturday down in beautiful Buda. And we will catch you next time.